welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Drea. And for today's video, I am back with another content because it's been so long since I last uploaded. Today, I am going to do a haul. It's the Miniso Barbie collection haul. So this haul, it's a long overdue video because I've been, collecting in a way these pieces since last month pa. And ngayon lang ako gagawa. And I'm going to call this video the first part of this haul because ito lang yung mga items na na-collect ko for this month and last month also, December to January. Super dami pa because if you guys don't know, I'm trying to collect all of it. Pero yun nga, super low na nung stocks sa lahat ng mga branches na pinuntahan ko. Okay, so for this month, meron akong mga natanggap for Christmas last year. And then, meron akong mga binili. Minsan yung iba sa isang branch lang yung binibili ko. And then, sa ibang branch, maraming akong binibili. Depends sa stock and depends sa budget ko. So, right here, I have this plastic bag full of, Miniso stuff. And another paper bag here. If you guys are wondering kung bakit ko siya kino-collect, hindi kasi when I was younger, I never really had a Barbie of my own, a Barbie doll of my own. So, nung nirelease ng collection ng Barbie, I really said to myself that I'm going to buy them for myself. Pero hindi ko naman expect na ma-addict ako and gusto ko na siyang lahatin. Anyway, ang daming sinasabi. So, let's get on with the haul. So, dito muna tayo sa first bag. I'm just gonna put in below sa description box kung how much sila and saan ko sila nabili. Kasi kung tutusin kompleto itong mga products na to sa mga online sellers, so I think nag-hoard na sila and then nire-resell nila online na ang laki ng patong nila, grabe. Dito muna tayo sa first bag. I'm going to show you guys first the items that I got for Christmas last 2023. So this were gifted to me by my ate Shaira, and the first ones are this Barbie hand creams. This comes in 3 different designs and flavor. Ito na use ko na to. Ginagamit ko siya every day and I bring it to school. And you're just gonna open and then you're gonna apply. Super bango niya actually. And you're just gonna apply it to your hands. Aside sa napapabango niya yung hands mo, I think it keeps it moisturized para hindi dry yung hands mo. So this one is my favorite kasi itong dalawa iniwan ko to dito sa Batangas. Ito lang yung dinala ko sa school. So this one is vanilla scented. For me, ito yung pinakamabango and this is my favorite out of the 3. And itong light pink, it's aloe vera scented. Ayan. And then for the third one, the black one, it's magnolia scented. I'm not sure kung which one yung hindi ko bet yung amoy. I think it was the aloe vera one. Hindi na sa hindi ko bet. It's just the least favorite of mine dito sa tatlo. But I really, 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 really love the vanilla scented one. Super duper. Lagi siya nasa bag ko wherever I go. Hindi lang sa school, like everywhere. Next one is ito. Clear stamps. Meron dyang car, Barbie car, bag, Barbie logo, itong silhouette Barbie peace sign, palm tree. This one is a heart-shaped sunglass. This one is star-shaped sunglasses. The van, the Barbie van, and then the Barbie logo in a heart, and then a scooter. I really thought sticker siya at first. I was really excited about it. Pero it turns out stamp pala siya. And you need to buy a block. Yung lalagyan, kasi ganito siya. I'm gonna show you. Etong car, ito nagamit ko na kasi itong car. So I'm gonna show it to you. Ayan, ganyan siya. Like, stamp talaga siya. Ilalagay mo siya dun sa pang-stamp talaga. Tapos, bibili ka din nung stamp pad. Alam mo yun, yung ginaganon. Tapos, saka itatatak sa'yo. So, ayun. Kaya, color blue siya kasi I tried it na. Meron kasi ako dyang stamp pad. But they have stickers naman from the collection. Kaya lang, wala pa akong nahanap na stock. So, I don't have one right now with me. And then, the third one, the last one is this cosmetic bag. My sister got me the black one. Kasi meron din ito nung pink one. I was supposed to buy one then. It's actually in my list. Pero I just don't know. I think I prefer this black more than the pink one. Kasi parang ang bata masyado tingnan nung isa. And I think for me, this one is very timeless. Like, parang kahit anong age mo, okay lang siya. Like, hindi ka mukhang childish in a way. And that's actually another reason of why I want to collect these Barbie items. Kasi it's Barbie, pero at the same time, hindi siya very pambata. Na parang kahit sa age ko, I'm a young adult, I mean, these are stuff that you can really use for every day. Some of it are like really essential. Kasi meron ditong umbrella, meron ditong mga beauty blender and stuff. So, hindi talaga siya laruan. So, ayun nga, going back to the bag, meron siyang hawakan dito. It's a cosmetic bag. You can put makeups here. Pero pwede din namang, ikaw bahala kung anong gusto mong, I actually gifted one to someone. Pero, ang purpose ko kasi sa isip ko is she can use it as a lunchbox. Kaya ako siya niregaluhan ng ganito. Pero for me, as someone na mahilig din mag-makeup and nagtra-travel a lot from Manila to Batangas and back and forth, this is really useful para lagay ng mga makeup ko so hindi sila nakakalat. And even just hygiene kit like toothbrush, perfume, and stuff. Ayan. Mga pang skincare and everything. And it's really, really spacious. And yun, if gusto nyo din talaga siyang pang lunchbox, if you're working or if nagsuschool kayo, pwede din siyang pang lunchbox. Next items, dito muna tayo sa plastic bag. Since nakalabas na to, this is the scented tissues. Ayan, and ang dami niyang laman. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2, 12. Meron siyang 12 scented perfume, and ang cute kasi may design yung packaging niya. I'm gonna show it to you. Ito yung tatlong designs niya. So this is the first one. It's pink with like Barbie logo stuff, silhouette, yung 1959, and then yung van. And then the other one, ito, Barbie, and then yung silhouette na logo nila. And then the third one is just the Barbie logo text. Ayan. And I'm really in love with these tissues kasi nga, sabi scented daw. Though hindi ko pa natatry, but I'm gonna open it guys for you para maamoy natin. I'm a sucker for tissues and wipes. Although nakuha ko lang din yung sa sister ko kasi nagko-collect siya. Tapos binibigyan niya ako. So ngayon, every time umaalis ako, hindi na ako nakakaalis nung wala akong tissue and wipes sa bag ko. So let's open this one. Parang wala naman. Oh my gosh. Wala siyang amoy, sis. Or baka, sinisipon ba ako? Wala naman sipon eh. Hindi, wala siyang amoy. Wala. Anyway, still, handy pa rin siya and it's still an essential. So, ayun. And ang dami niya. So, I think I'm gonna give away to my sisters as well. Ito, solo ko siya binili. Kaya, nasa solo siya na packaging. The headband. Ayan o, may mga resibo pa ako dito. Ilan kayong resibo dito yung makokollect ako? Ayan, so meron akong 2 resibo here. And ito, pangatlo. So, meron akong 3 resibo dito. So, I have this pink Barbie headband. Dalawa yung ganito nilang design. They also have the white one. But I let my jowa decide which one suits me better. And he said na ito daw pink one, hindi daw yung white one. So, ayan siya. It's really stretchy. You can use this kapag magsa-skincare kayo or magme-makeup kayo. It's really cute. It's really soft. And this one, itong part na to is bendable siya. Like, para siyang merong, alambre. Meron siyang alambre dito. Ayan. Nabe-bend siya. Next, we have this shower cup. Ganda na lalagyan niya actually. Ayoko nga itong gamitin. Gusto ko nandito lang siya sa lalagyan. Of course, alam niyo naman kung saan ginagamit yung shower cup kapag naligo ka na ayaw mo basahin yung buhok mo. And I think it's going to be very useful for me kasi ganun ako madalas. Lalo na pag nagkukulot ako ng hair tapos kailangan ko maligo pero ayoko mawala yung curl ng hair ko so hindi ko binabasa yung hair ko. Ganito siya kalaki and then ito yung itsura niya sa likod. And tapos ilalagay mo lang siya sa ulo mo na nakapasok syempre lahat ng buhok mo para hindi mabasa kapag magsha-shower ka. May isa pa palang resibo dito. So, ayan, mix 4. Okay, next item. Etong hair clip. This one, I really, 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 really love. It's a hair clip. Tapos, meron dito yung Barbie silhouette logo. Meron din itong actually in a dark pink color, yung ganitong pagka-pink. Meron din sila, pero I just bought one of each na merong ibang mga design. Tapos, meron siyang mahaba ditong ribbon. I already used this. Ginamit ko siya when I went to school once. Pero na-realize ko na ayoko pala siyang gamitin. Like, gusto ko lang siyang i-keep. Ayoko pala siyang ilabas. I don't know, it's just too cute to use. Like, Actually, most of these items are just too cute to use. Like, parang gusto ko lang silang i-display tapos hindi ko sila gamitin forever. Ganun naman talaga pag nagko-collect, diba? Yung mga collectors. Yung iba nga hindi pa nilalabas sa box, pero I'm just so excited. So next, this one is one of my favorites also. Parang ang dami ko namang favorite. Lahat sila favorite ko. Pero this one kasi, it was given by my jowa. He bought this for me. Kaya it's one of my favorite. Kasi hindi ako yung bumili, hindi pera ko yung nagastos for this. So this one is the handheld mirror. Ayan. Ang cute niya, heart-shaped mirror siya, tapos may Barbie dito, and then sa likod yung mirror. So, ito yung itsura niya. Mirror siya dito, tapos heart-shaped siya. Meron siyang Barbie logo dito, tapos meron siyang hawakan, may handle. Dito sa unahan, it says 2023 Mattel. And super gustong-gusto ko to kasi meron ka ng mirror like kapag nasa school ka. Kasi kapag nasa school ka, grabe yung hiraman ng mirror, te. Like, may salamin ka ba? Minsan pumupunta pa ng CR para lang tingnan yung sarili sa salamin kahit hindi mo talaga nasa CR. So, ayan, kapag in-game kayo na mga kaklase mo sa ganda-gandahan, meron na kayong very cute and very fashionable na handheld mirror. Oh, diba? Saan ka pa? Next, we have this 3 beauty blenders. Ayan, iba-iba sila ng shade ng pagka-pink. I don't know if I'm gonna be using them kasi nafe-feel bad ako na madumihan sila. Each one, meron din silang design ng Barbie. This one, meron siyang Barbie text tapos nasa heart, yung Barbie silhouette. Yun, Barbie text lang. Ayan. And then, we only have one last item from this bag. The umbrella one. Ayan. Meron silang isa pang umbrella, yung mahaba siya, yung see-through, yung transparent na kulay white and pink ata siya. Pero yun kasi is yun yung mahaba na may tungkod. So, it's really for kids, I think. Ito yung gusto ko kasi foldable umbrella siya and very portable. Nalalagay lang siya sa bag. Pinagpalit ko na yung 7-Eleven umbrella ko na pinakita ko sa inyo sa last video ko. Pinagpalit ko na yun kahit ang mahal niya, mas mahal to. Ito yung pinakamaraming beses ko na nagamit kasi dinadala ko siya sa school. And eto dito sa labas, meron siyang lalagyanan. Meron nakalagay dito 2023 Mattel and then Barbie here. So kapag inopen mo siya, and makikita mo na yung pink sa loob. And sa sobrang kasi di ba ang common mawalan ng payong. Like, malapag mo lang sa isang tabi, biglang, hala, saan ko nalagay yung payong ko? Tapos may kumuha na palang iba. So, nilagyan ko siya ng name and phone number ko. Ito pa yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya. Dito sa hawakan niya, meron siya nitong Barbie silhouette na meron din nakalagay na 2023 Mattel. Open natin. Oh, diba? Pagtingin mo sa labas, black lang siya. Tapos, nasa loob ang kabadingan ni ate mo. Grabe, kasi super happy ko nung nabili ko to. Kasi ang mahal nito, like 500 tong payong na to. I think ang cons lang nitong payong na to is hindi siya automatic. Pipindutin mo siya dito to close it manually. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos kapag bubuksan mo siya, manual din, ganyan. So, ayun, that's it for our first plastic bag. So, we're going to move on dito sa ating paper bag. And medyo marami-rami to. Okay, so para sa ating unang bunot, eto. This is the Barbie neck pillow. Actually, hindi naman ako nagaganto talaga and hindi ko naman siya kailangan. Pero, dahil meron na ako at dahil mahal ang bili ko sa kanya, gagamitin ko siya palagi kapag nagta-travel ako. Kasi nga, di ba, Manila, Batangas. So, gagamitin ko na siya every time I ride the bus. Ayan. Ganito siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-fluffy actually. Like, medyo matigas pa din siya. So, meron siya ditong button. Okay, sunod na bunot ay oh my gosh, the travel bag. Itong travel bag na to, I think it's very sulit for its price. Ito yung labas niya. It's pink, may hawakan siya dito. It says Barbie here. And pag inopen mo siya, tatlo siya. So I think it's very sulit for its price. Alam niyo yung mga organizers na nilalagay kapag meron kayong maleta na may one for your shoes, may one for your skincare and makeup. So I think it's very sulit for its price kasi tatlo na siya. So ito siya. So I think this one is pwede sa mga clothes nyo, sa mga shirts, shorts, skirts, pants, dresses, and stuff. Kapag ilalagay nyo siya sa maleta or kahit sa bag nyo lang na malaki or travel bag, Tapos, sunod, pag inopen mo siya, same lang nung isa, pero mas maliit to. So, I think this can be used for your undies, for your delicates. Pwede din pala siya for sandals, like I said earlier, for your shoes, slippers. Kaya lang, I don't think mag-fit dito kapag sneaker siya or like makapal. Tapos, ito, yung last. So, I think this can be used for your makeups, for your skincare products, for your hygiene kit, for your toothbrush, your facial wash, your toothpaste. Ayan, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. Next, we have eto. Ah! Na-excite! Oh my gosh! I still can't believe na nabili ko yung speaker. So, although, mas gusto ko yung light pink na speaker. Hindi ko muna siya i-open kasi parang ayoko siyang gamitin. I don't wanna get it out of the box. Pero I think one of these days, itatry ko naman siyang gamitin to see kung okay yung quality ng sound niya, ng audio niya. Meron siya ditong, eto, manual. I don't think it comes with a charger. Parang walang charger na kasama. Meron siyang hawakan. Ayan, black yung handle nitong dark pink. I'm not sure if yung light pink is black din ba. Dito sa box niya, ayan, may nakalagay naman na this one, it says wireless connection, charging time about 2 to 3 hours, music playback time about 4 hours, leather handbag design. Ah, okay. So, yun yung ini-aim nila. Mukha siyang bag. Yan, eto, I think volume to. Mukha siyang clock kasi Roman numeral siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Although yung pagkakasunod niya hindi naman mukhang clock. It's from 1 to 10. So I think yes, volume to. And then meron dito na pag ganun, may paganto. So pa-back and then pa-forward. I think this one is turn on and pause and play. Tapos sa likod, it says a lot of stuff about it. And then, eto. Yun mga charging port niya. Okay, next. The tumbler. It comes with a straw. And ito yung tumbler na napili ko. Ayan, meron siyang parang case na clear here. Tapos dito sa taas, ayan, meron siyang mga stars. Silver stars. Tapos, ayun nga, yung lalagyanan ng straw. Ganito siya kalaki. So, I think madami namang malalagay. Pwede ko na itong gamitin for school, for everyday use, kung saan man ako pupunta. Pwede kong lagyan ng water, coffee, or any drink na iniinom ninyo. Meron pa tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meron pang 5 items dito. So, ang sunod ay this one. The razor one. But this razor, I think I'm just going to display this or parang hindi ko siya alisin dito. Kasi, syempre kapag ginamit ko to, kailangan ko siyang i-throw away na after. So, para makip ko siya for a very long time, hindi ko siya gagamitin. Okay, next. This one is called Silicone Earphone Protective Case. Ah, okay. So, earphone pala dapat yung ilalagay dito. Kasi kaya ako siya binili. Kasi wala akong coin purse. Ang bala ko sana, ganto ko siya sa bag ko. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng coins sa loob. Para if like, mamamasahe ako, like, pauwi na ako, tapos lalabas ako ng pamasahe. Dito ko na lang siya ilalagay para hindi ko nabuksan yung bag ko, hanapin yung wallet ko, tapos ibabalik ko pa. Para mas madali siya for me. Kasi wala din talaga akong coin purse. Next, we have desk organizer. Tama ba? Oo, makeup organizer. Nag-ayos ako ng vanity mirror and nalabas ko yung mga lipstick ko. Nakatayo lang sila. And then, yung mga cats, kapag umakyat sila dun sa table na yun, dun sa vanity mirror, naglalaglagan, nagtutumbahan. So, nung nakita ko to, na meron siyang mga lalagyanan ng lipstick dito, sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna go for it. Madami silang desk organizer actually, pero hindi ko siya priority kasi hindi ako ma-desk na tao. Like, ngayon na college na, hindi na ako nagde-desk. Okay, so, etong hair tie. Hair ties, ayan. So, this one, it's a pink stripe hair tie. And this one is a pink hair tie na merong Barbie here. So, I think I'm gonna wear this sa wrist ko para meron akong spare na hair tie every time na lalabas ako. And for the last item, ito na yung last item natin. This one is food container. And super sulit din ito sa price nito kasi tatlo to sa loob. Open natin. Tatanggalin ko yung seal niya. Hindi ko buksan eh. Ay, talagang ayaw nila magpabukas. I think yung main purpose niya nga is food container lang. Kapag may tira kayong ulam, tapos lagay nyo sa ref, parang Tupperware. Pero, pwede din naman siyang gawin na lunch box. Yan, ito yung pinakamalaki. And then, yung pangalawa is ito, yung design niya. May Barbie dyan. Ayan. And then, ito yung pinakamaliit. So, there you have it. All in all, meron akong 4 na resibo. So, 4 na different stores or 4 na different time ko silang binili. Tapos, ayun nga, yung iba gifts pa binigay. Yun pa lang yung mga nakokollect ko for this month. Hindi pa sila super dami compare sa full list, full collection nila. Ang dami pa super duper na wala. And ang dami pang mga gusto ko pang mabili. So, ayun lang guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and follow me on all of my social media accounts. So that's it for today's video. This has been Drea Nicole. Have a good day, everyone.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?